Hello everyone. Okay, so I'm continuing with dictionaries in this video, and there's a couple more things I want to say, and next time I'll go through for loops. Okay, uh, so um, so this is a dictionary here, just as an example, and if I call it out, I'm gonna get my dictionary. So remember, a dictionary is made up of key, value, key, value. So each key and value are separated by a column, and then there's three pairs here, three pairs of keys and values in my dictionary. Now remember, um, I can always uh, uh, I can always add to my dictionary. So I can append my dictionary. I can say, okay, let me add, for example, s, okay, equal 10. Oops. So in bracket the key. So I would do the name of the dictionary, bracket, and then the key, and then equal the value on the right hand side. So let's say my value is 10. Okay. So that's, and then if I print my dictionary, look at this. It added the last pair at the end, key, value, key s, and value 10. Now, um, uh, so um, so remember, dictionaries are mappings, and so they support accessing items by key only. Okay, uh, as similar to the operations I showed last time, and what we have here. In addition, though, they also support type specific operations with method calls. Okay, and these can be very useful. So, for example, one of these method calls is, let's say I want to test. Let's say I have a very large dictionary, right? 500 names of employees and their jobs, and I don't really want to go through each and every single one. I just want to check if a certain key is in there. Okay, so I can use the in membership to allow me to query the existence of a key. Okay, in my dictionary. So, for example, let's take this dictionary here that I have at the in the last line, and I can type in the key I'm wondering about. So let's say M. Okay, so this is the key membership, and then I would say in D, and this is gonna evaluate to a Boolean operation, true or false. Obviously, it's true. True means M is a key inside my dictionary. So I can establish without looking through my pairs, through my key value pairs, whether something is inside my dictionary or not. If I were to type something that it's not, like if I were to say here Z, okay, in D, it's gonna give me false, which means this key value is not in my dictionary. Okay. Um, okay. So I think that's all I want to say for now on dictionaries. And next time I will discuss. There's few more things on dictionaries that I will postpone because they rely on the for loop. So I want to discuss the for loop next time before we go to tuples, and maybe I'll say a few things in there, or depending how long the video gets, maybe after. We'll see. But so let's kind of segue now from here into for loops next time. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you're able to support us in our efforts to keep this information free and available for the public, please don't hesitate to donate to the email address I have. It's a PayPal email address that I have in description, and rest assured this will go to fully fund this science and coding projects that I have going on my channel, as always. Okay, we will see you next video.